Hi guys, I've got one of these forms which I have to fill and send back because I am gonna be on a job. So this is the form which I have to fill, but it's a PDF and I cannot fill it. So to resolve that problem, we need to convert it into the Word and then we can really edit that. So how can we do that? Let me just show you. So I'll just close it down. Now I will go on internet and here I will search I love PDF. There you go, it's open. And here I will convert it from PDF to Word. So I'll click on this. I will select the PDF file which is in my downloads and I will say upload. And now I will come here and click on convert to Word and download Word. That's how easy it is to convert and download it. Now let me just show you how I can edit it. So I'll go to my downloads and you can see I have a Word file as well. And I will open it to show you as well. So I will click on this and open it. There you go. Now I can really edit that. Here I will put the company name and then I put my name. So party's name is Hamza. You can see that. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.